In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the color of your text and button in HubSpot. We'll guide you step by step through the process, ensuring you can easily customize the visual elements of your HubSpot account to better suit your branding or personal preference. So, whether you're aiming to add a splash of color to make your call to action buttons pop, or simply adjust your text color for better readability, we've got you covered. First things first, you'll need to head over to HubSpot. If you're not logged in yet, make sure you've got your credentials ready. Once you're inside, locate the user guide. This is your starting point, like opening a map before embarking on a journey. Whether it's your first time or you're familiar with the layout, it's always a good idea to know where you're going. Clicking on the user guide will lay the groundwork for our next steps. Next, you'll want to find the settings section. This is your control panel, where all the customization magic happens. Think of it as your backstage pass to tweak fine details. Clicking on Settings will open up a realm of possibilities, and from here we're heading into the Marketing tab. The Marketing section is a key area you'll frequently visit for customizing any marketing elements within HubSpot. Once inside the Marketing module, make your way to the Forms option. Forms are crucial as they directly interact with your audience, and having them visually appealing can make a substantial difference in how information is processed and retained. You'll see a list of options related to form customization. Now, we are getting closer to changing those colors. Upon selecting Forms, shift your gaze to the Label color settings. Labels are the text you see accompanying form fields. Having vibrant, contrasting colors here can make your forms not only functional but also eye-catching. Go ahead and explore the color options. Adjust the slider or input hexadecimal color codes to match your branding. After ensuring your label colors are in harmony with your aesthetic needs, it's time to look into buttons. Buttons are the action heroes of web forms. They lead to conversions and engagements. You want them to stand out, so under the Button section, you'll find options to alter the button color. Just like before, pick a color that resonates with your branding, but also stands out enough to prompt user actions. And last but not least, head to the color option for your button. This is your final stop where you can settle on the perfect hue that balances between grabbing attention and maintaining a cohesive look and feel for your site. Take your time here and visualize your audience interacting with the new design. Once satisfied, be sure to save all your changes. And that wraps up our walkthrough for changing your text and button colors in HubSpot. Don't forget to preview your changes to ensure everything looks just as you imagined. Thank you for following along and happy customizing.